My name is Gavin Ganere, and this is the mock-up presentation for the Financial Literacy e-course for Metro Public High School. Green coffee. Welcome to the mock-up presentation for the Financial Literacy e-course for Metro Public High School. My name is Gavin Ganere, and I would like to show you the 4 types of pages. We have the introduction, assessment, content, and summary. We begin with the course introduction. There are 2 pages associated with course introduction. There's a welcome and a goals page. For content, content is found in the lesson portion of the module, and there are 5 associated pages with that. There's a module overview, and there are 4 pages for the actual lesson filled with content. And then we have the assessment portion, and this module is a project-based format. So instead of saying assessment, it does say final project. And with the final project, there are 2 associated pages with that. One is the project overview. Students can access this first page, project overview, at any time, but they can't access project instructions until they complete the lessons. Initially, the links that will take the students to the project instructions will be inactive. Once they complete all of the lessons, the inactive links will become active and they can access the project instructions. And the 4th type of page is the summary, and we have here our course summary that congratulates the students and reviews what they have learned and accomplished in the course. Looking for all elements of sensory activities in this learning module, we have audio. And audio, there is an audio narration that students can utilize on every single page, and they simply need to click the icon and the audio narration will become active for them to be able to use. There are images throughout the website, and these images tend to use movement. So this example, you have the budget book that's angled and a calculator angled to take the learner's attention to money, because the course is about financial literacy, which is money management. Throughout the course, we also have some videos that will be embedded, and every video will have a video transcript, so students can choose to read the transcript, and the videos will also be able to allow the students to change the speed for whatever is comfortable for them. When we talk about interactive, right here the students are able to choose and how they would like to navigate. They can choose which lessons they want to do in whichever order they wish to. There's also different ways they can navigate. They can use the navigation button, they can use the embedded links, or they can use the navigation bar. We also have interactive assignments, such as the interactive discussion boards that students will have to use to communicate and collaborate with other students or learners that are also doing the course. We also have an interactive chart for the student to be able to log their information as they complete the lesson. And we also have interactive answer boxes. The students will complete the assignment, put in their answer, and will receive feedback based on the answer that they entered. For visual and graphic design principles, we have the use of white space throughout the module. And you can see, for example, here between the pictures and the text, between the pictures and the text, between text and text. That allows the learners to easily navigate through each lesson and throughout the entire module. It helps them to understand what's going on. It helps them to understand the relationship between picture and text, between text and text. There is visual hierarchy that's also used. The title of each page is a larger font and is bold. This is a 40-point font that is bold. This is a 16-point font that is bold for the section heading, and then a 14-point font for the text in the section. You can see that the items are aligned. For the majority of the module, we use a left alignment, but there are instances where a center alignment will be used. For example, the discussion board is center aligned, our embedded videos center aligned, and our navigation bar for the assignments is also center aligned. And there is movement used. Again, the images that are used tend to have an angle that direct the learner's attention to something else in the picture. Here again we have another picture that uses various angles of the sun ray, and the picture is relevant of course to the topic. We're talking about career and salary, and these rays are directing the learner's attention to various different types of careers. Also, when they use the audio narration, it will not only cover the content in each section, but it will also read what is in the image or the description of the images. When students access the welcome page, the financial literacy text will have movement, and also the font is offset. You will find in the attached documents the requirements for the assignment other than what was just covered. You will find the 5 sections that were submitted in prior tasks, and you'll also find the responses to Part C.